Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make these baklava here. I've been making my own Turkish coffee and enjoying that so much, so I've been buying a lot of baklava and I thought, I should make it myself. So look how cute these are in the Turkish coffee cups. I have several different ones, but anyway. So today I'm going to show you how to make these three. They're all the same things, okay? They have the same phyllo dough, or phyllo dough, the same walnut filling with the same ingredients. I just make them a few different ways. So it's basically the same thing, which is baklava, just different shapes, I am Latina. I'm not Turkish, clearly, or anything like that, but I do like to bake and cook and all these different things, and I really get into it. So I hope you guys like it. It's so quick and so easy. You have to try it yourself, because when you make it homemade, it's amazing. It's always good anyway when you buy it from the store, but here are. So this one, first one I'm going to do is showing you guys is just layered up a little bit and then rolled, and so you can see on the inside, you can see that good filling in there, and it's walnut cinnamon. The next one is around a skewer, so it's a little tighter, but it does have a nice filling in the middle. Okay, as you can see, and it's a little different style, a little squeeze, and it's cute. The last one I showed you is how to do it around a dowel, so there's going to be a larger center. I don't know how to explain it, and then the filling is sprinkled throughout. I don't know if you can kind of see there's a hole through there, so there's a lot of air and a lot of crispness to it. The sprinkling, I just sprinkle the stuff all throughout, okay? So it looks like a little bit, but once you've rolled it up, it makes a lot of filling in there. It's just sprinkled throughout, so really good. It's amazing. I do want to show you about the dowel though, because I'm not going to be able to talk in the video since, as you see here, my kids are awake. I used this dowel. It's just a wooden dowel, and I cut a piece off of it. It's a 3/8 inch by 36 inch dowel, so 3/8 inches wide. You can use a wider one if you want more space in the middle of your baklava. I think that's the only tips I needed to let you know is the dowel, and then the other items you'll see in the video there. So have at it. You can use different, obviously, centers. Oh, you can also put some little pistachio or something sprinkled on the top, like walnut ground, but I didn't do that. I just kept it simple. So hopefully you guys will like it and try it out, and stay tuned, and hopefully I won't bore you too much, because I know they're basically all the same thing. You just rolled it a little bit differently. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.